Hey everyone, welcome to the Work and Dirt channel. On this episode, we're going to continue to dismantle 2 LJs and start selling off the parts we don't need and prepping the parts we do need. So grab your kale shake and beer and stay tuned. So we got the second stage of the demo process, but we're gonna try to detach the underneath, whatever we got underneath. Yeah, and then use this forklift to set it on. What are you? Oh, you're waiting for the you're waiting for the motor. So he's trying to. He's got a guy who's gonna come pick up this 6PT common rail motor so that he has room for the tub. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see. While we wait for the guy to come by that 6BT, our approach to removing this body was to disconnect every wire from the body to the engine and to the frame, and taking off all the body bolts that connect the tub to the frame. But in doing so, we want to take caution to not break any of the clips and protect all the hoses by taping over them. But as you see in this video, my buddy Andre was going so fast I couldn't keep up with, labeling all those things. So when you're getting some free help, you can't really tell them to slow down. Guarantee it's me holding on by one wire. So there's 2 body mounts behind the gas tank. Don't forget about those. So here you'll see my buddy taking off the silver tub from the Rubicon, and he'll be using it for quarter panels on his own TJ. So as you can see, the body's off, and now we need to do a visual inspection from the top, because I know when we hit the tree, there was a lot of force going forward, and there was a couple things that I need to inspect closely, like the shifting cable. Looks like the heat shield just got pinched a little bit, but I need to go through and make sure that none of, see right here, this is the fuel. Oh wow, this is the fuel rail. Our fuel line, and it obviously got pinched from the weight of the tub getting somehow shifting and hitting it. So yeah, it's fuel coming out there. Oh yeah, let's keep that up. Okay. But yeah, hopefully there's not too much damage, but that's one thing that will need to be replaced. Now this is the new brown LJ Wrangler, and we'll be dismantling it only so that we can pull the body to gain access to the motor, because we want to sell that off.
I get the big guns out.
That little thing is strong. I gotta get my bigger one. That's saltwater rust. I'm taking off lug nuts with this thing. Oh, you gotta hit this.
No, let's take out the bigger one.
Oh, that's way bigger. That's way bigger.
What?
I'll get my bigger one. I'll get my bigger one. We have a.
My gun is bigger.
Dude, those aren't tight. That gun should have got those out. I got love for DeWalt. Currently have Makita. Go ahead with your DeWalt. Look, that DeWalt's been under some good use right there.
Yeah.
That thing wishes it was never in the hands of Andre, that's for sure.
Hey, you buy tools to use them, right? Not to stock in your garage and look at them.
You need to mail that one back to DeWalt and say thank you.
Yeah, this thing's probably never came off. All original, buddy.
It's a virgin. And you need a fucking.
It's my bid on it.
Give it another shot.
Maybe it's the wrist.
Oh, there we go. Redeemed itself.
I don't think it gets fixed.
Yep.
Only GM does this.
Yeah. There we go. Nice. I can release the body bolts while you're getting those clips here. Is that the harness is essentially two pieces, right, Andre?
Yeah.
You got the engine harness on the front that passes or connects.
Well, it connects up here,
Connects up there,
and then it connects right in the inside of the firewall.
right in here.
Plug out, and all the plugs are in there.
And then the rest
Is
is
one
one
piece.
one huge wiring harness for the interior, which goes all the way back to your back corner taillight. So essentially two big pieces with a bunch of individual clips that you can't really mess up putting them together because they're all individual. They're all a certain length to reach the spot it needs to reach, obviously. But some of them are a pain to get undone.
It's your heater for those lines. You need the big guns?
Well, when you got a bunch of attachments, it kills some of the power, so you
Okay.
get one. I'm telling you, I use that little one. No, it's greatly affected. The more attachments you have to it, it really does slow it down. But we really should have a little challenge here. Big impact versus big impact.
Main harness. Ground wires. Two main ground wires. The steering column is connected. Makita's no go, buddy.
What?
Makita's no go.
What? I got. Oh, the impact?
I got my DeWalt.
Oh, shit. Yeah, the big one. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we have to disconnect
I'll
them,
just
right?
actually take off the master cylinder right out of there so we don't have to disconnect the line.
Oh, guess what? These body bolts are easier to get to because we got rid of the gas tank.
Yeah.
Nice.
Got lucky on that one. It's purple, dude. Yeah, it just pulls out. This is the actual piston from your pedal that pushes the valve in here, and essentially it just forces the fluid into there. But this is the hydro boost that actually helps you push the pedal.
Yeah. All right. So these are the rusty bolts. Look at that. That one's bad. So we think this thing was up to the bottom floor pan of salt water, but because of this corrosion. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, very nice. So we're disconnected there. AC line's disconnected. Radiator line's disconnected. Body bolts are disconnected. Oh, the last thing is the levers, right? We gotta get these levers.
This rubber piece to come off. I want to slide off.
Because the hurricane goes so fast, you know?
Yeah.
Can't keep an eye. Unless we got video filming slow-mo.
Pause it. Replay.
I mean, I'm doing this on purpose, so then you call me, it's like,
Ah!
like, Joe, I don't work for free.
Oh, man. Well, like, don't worry, you're still working off that truck.
Yeah.
There we go. 8.
Yeah, I should have one up there.
Doubted you on very no shit.
Just sitting on a rubber grommet.
How do you do that shit blind? Oh, here, I can get that reach here. Damn. He's a pro. I think he used to be a repo guy before. For sure. Hell yeah.
I used to steal for a living. Got too good for it.
All right. So I think we're.
Let's get the hardtop off.
Oh. Yeah.
Once you take them out,
You're like, fuck it.
oh, you just scratched it.
Oh.
You scratched it.
Right. We're probably gonna repaint it. ropes, Andre. This is our new CrossFit workout right here. Put it over your shoulder, pull it. Oh my God. Off road.
Watch out.
Let's go. The horse. now that the tub is free and clear of the motor and the wires, it'll be easy for me to hoist the tub up and then remove the axles when I get ready to sell them. I'm sorry in this video I don't show exactly how I take things apart, but I'm sure if you're taking on a project like this, you have the mojo to take things apart. Watch for our next episode as we will be removing the last parts off the frame, getting it prepped for new brackets for the long arm kit. Thank you for your viewership, likes, and subs, as it helps our channel support veterans, trails, and charities each quarter. Till next time, keep your rubber in the dirt!